They're challenged by Zinho. Bebeto. Good save by Lamar. And that's an awkward save for the keeper. And these corners have been causing the defence real trouble.
Italy. Albertini.
Glad to be here to see this one myself.
The ball played on. Superb save, confident goalkeeping, positioned himself well there.
That was a great shot, and it will please the manager to see his keeper save it.
Keane. Solskjaer, that's produced a fine save from the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
The keeper who makes no mistake. The ball played up the pitch. Oh dear, the shot goes well wide of the target and the goal bonus down the toilet. Match underway. Yanka. Nice footwork. Only the keeper left in his way. Well, it had to end. Hit the post. Giggs. Cole. Did well to win it. Egan. Loses it. Luis Enrique. No accuracy with the long pass. Morientes. They've scored here. And the corner punched away by the keeper. Makaleli. A good last-minute interception there. They did well there. Good defending. Vieira. One-on-one with the keeper. What a save! This keeper's in top form.
Well, that's a terrific save to end that attack on goal.
In midfield, haven't they?
Oh, they have. A lot of youth and experience at the same time. They've got one or two players who can sit and hold, but the legs they've got from the youth in the middle of the park, it's quite frightening at times.
Well placed for a cross. Zidane. Beckham. Really good place to win it back. Cisse made it his ball. Frings. Oh, he's all on his own in front of goal. Oh! Goes out for a throw-in.
Kick-off time then. There's been a lot of speculation about how these two teams will approach this match. We're about to find out. This is Ronaldinho. Getting the ball forward quickly. That's well read there. Xavi, the top. He's taking on the final defender. Oh, yes! Kick-off time then. There's been a lot of speculation about how these two teams will approach this match. We're about to find out. Robin. Good use of the ball. He's crossed it into the box. Big chance. Held on. One of those games you just can't wait to see it get started. It's Ronaldinho now. And now Eto'o. Tevez. Ferdinand. Gary Neville. He's got the ball back. This is Ronaldinho. He stretched them here. Clear chance. Keeper was determined. Nobody could get the ball off him. They did well there. Good defending. Iniesta. Big chance. Just wide.
I didn't think he had that ability, but what an effort.
Ribéry. Little ball played in. Now Samuel. Here's Eto. Snyder.
But he's just going to have to be careful. Every tackle now he makes has got to be a good one.
He's lost the ball to a good challenge. Which side's going to get it back here? Got in with the tackle, but not the control. Oh, well, he's put it wide of the goalkeeper, but it's gone beyond the post as well.
Well, I think he's just dragged that straight across goal.
Puyol. Fabio Coentrao. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's not frightened of shooting from there, and it would have been a goal but for the keeper.
Yeah, that had a bit of whip and a bit of bend on it, so yeah.
And there's the first whistle, and the game is underway. And they're through. Great ball. He's beaten his man. Here's the chance. Really well hit. And the keeper did well to get down to it. Well, they've got a corner. Well, he might go for goal here. And the defenders just managed to deal with that. Benzema. Lionel Messi. Pedro. Here's the cross. Neymar. He scored with a brilliant header. Milboro. The kickoff coming from Liverpool. Jordan Henderson. Pass back. It's lovely. Neymar. Break maybe from Barcelona. Came in with the challenge and the ball. Splendid goal here.
They've all to fail. Talk about placing it. He knew exactly what he wanted to do with it.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Now the goalkeeper can maybe think about starting an attack. Attacking well here. Trying to find... saw the goal and went for it. Well, that's way, way over the bar. Intercepted. Ryan Robin. James Rodriguez. Here's a chance to attack. But he's shot off now. Throw everything behind that shot.
Takes care of business. Given away. He has plenty of support. I think you'd have to be a greyhound to get to that one. Keeper's ball. But I think we should always have respect for true midfield maestros, and Luka Modric falls in that category. What do you expect to see from him today, Lee?
Well, the more you give this lad the ball, the better the team normally plays. He switches the ball, he links play from left to right, up and down the pitch. He keeps possession, a brilliant player.
Now Willian. It's a promising attack launched by Willian. And so the match is underway. Bruno Fernandes. Can he put them ahead? A goal in the early stages. Precisely what they had been planning.
Responsiveness, physicality and intensity of players and teams as they move around the pitch. You approach the ball.